Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this tutorial I will explain how you can generate emoji using Python. So for that, first of all, let's install a module. So pip install emoji and let's run this. So you can see it is in queue, so just wait while emoji module is being installed, and you can see it has successfully installed this package. Now what will we do? First of all, we will import emoji and then we will define a function name is text to emoji, and here we will pass a text, and here what we will do, we will return emoji dot emoji's text. So that's all. Now what we will take the input from the user. So input text, we will take the input from the user. So let's say enter text with emoji aliases. Okay, and now we will convert this text into text to emoji. So we will pass this text to this function, so text to emoji function, and we will pass here input text. That's it. It means we are taking input from the user, and whatever the input, we are passing the input to this function text to emoji. And now let's print. So print, we will type here converted text with emojis, and here we will pass this converted underscore text. So we are taking input from the user and we are passing the input to this function, and this function is returning the emoji.emoji's text. So whatever the text, it is returning me the its emoji, and we are printing. So that's all. So let's run this. So enter text with emoji aliases. Let's enter books. So just wait. Okay, for emoji define text. Okay, so let's say again run this. So enter text with emoji aliases. So we will enter the text, and you can see the converted text is this one. So you can see the, so this way you can convert the text into emoji. So just make sure you are entering the text like this, because this function emoji's function will take the input like this and it will convert this into a emoji. So you can see the emoji. So that's all. Thank you for watching.